Hello and welcome to Data for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to delete Badoo 2024. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first, your Badoo should be updated properly. So in order to update it, you can go to the Play Store or your App Store and you can just go on the search bar and search for Badoo and just search it, and the Badoo will be opened. And instead of open, in the right side there will be an update option. If you haven't updated, I have updated it, so there is only open option, so don't forget that. And when you have updated it, you just have to open the Badoo application, and when it is open, in the bottom right corner there is profile. Just click on the profile, and when you are inside your profile, in the top right corner there is a setting icon. Click on the setting icon. After that, on the second option there is account. Just click on the account, and in the bottom there is a delete account button or text. Just click on that text and this interface is shown to you. And again, in this interface, in the bottom there is delete your account option. Just click on it and press the continue button. Now you have to tell the reason for why you are leaving the Badoo application. Just give the reason that is suitable to you and select one, and now you have to give more reason or select the reason from the interface and just select a reason that is suitable for you and click on the continue button. After that, there is a delete account button in the bottom of the screen. You can just click on the delete account button and your Badoo will be deleted. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.